Hey guys, Trent here from How To Haven, back again with another quick tutorial. And today I'm going to show you how you can change the image size of your Midjourney image generations. The default size of Midjourney pictures are 1024 by 1024. And if you want to change that, you actually have a few options because that's not always perfect for whatever you're doing. So what you can do, and unfortunately Midjourney is a bit limited, so all you can do really is change the aspect ratio, but that can still give you the desired results you want or close enough. So you can make the images bigger or smaller, and you do that by changing the aspect ratio. So it goes like this: go to your Midjourney bot and type imagine/imagine, and then enter your prompt. So it's a hand wave marketing material. And then you can designate the aspect ratio after that by going --AR and then the aspect ratio you want. So if you want a bigger image, you could go 16:9. That's more in line with like a YouTube thumbnail. Then you can hit generate, and the image it generates will actually be bigger than the 1024 by 1024 that it normally gives you. I'm sure in the future that you'll be able to actually make it the exact size you want, I imagine. But for now, you can only do this, and you can do, I believe, like 3:4, 5:4. Kind of pick whatever aspect ratio you want. If Midjourney can't do it, it will just give you the closest thing that it can do. And I've had limited success with this, but you can also do prefer option set, and then you can name an option. So let's say like iPhone, and then you could do like 16:9. And that's like a set of custom option you can make. So if you designate iPhone after your image, it'll make it like that. You're supposed to be able to do that. I have actually had no success doing that, so you're welcome to give it a try. But this is the only way I've actually figured it out. So now that we have this, we can go and just upscale the first one. It looks completely ridiculous. But after we upscale, you can actually go... so I always have this problem. Let's see. Okay, cool. So it's on my thing. So look, now you'll see it's actually 1456 by 816, which is completely different than our normal. Our normal one is actually 1024 by 1024. Anyways, guys, if this video helped, please drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more. Thank you.